Welcome back to the Dark Forklift Parts channel. Today, I will explore 3 linkage repair kits specifically designed for Hangcha XR30 forklift, tailored to different models. For the 30J model, the connecting rod is split into 2 separate pieces, and requires threaded connecting rod pin secured with nut, split pin for robust fixation. For XR30 and the 30HB models, the connecting rod is a single integrated until for simplified assembly using a standard connecting rod pin and screen. For quick setup, for XR30 has one special part: steering axle cylinder connecting side equipped with a bushing, not spherical plain bearing. Some forklift models may require additional components like steering buffer, spring washer, screen washer. We will cover that in an upcoming video. If you are unsure about compatibility or need customized solutions, contact me directly. I'm here to ensure you get the right part for your equipment. Thank you for watching. For more forklift maintenance parts, please contact me. See you next time.